Before we begin, have you created your login for the Hogarth member portal, created your free Zoom account and downloaded Zoom onto your laptop, tablet or phone, and have you signed into Zoom on your device? If the answer is yes, yes and yes, keep watching. On the Hogarth website, click on Booking and log in to the member portal. Once you're in, click on Classes to view our full timetable. Every class that is available online now has one of these Zoom icons. Simply click on this icon 5 to 10 minutes before your class time, then click on the button to launch Zoom. Your computer may ask permission. Click Allow to join the waiting room for the class. Please bear in mind that if you are not signed into Zoom, you may get stuck in the waiting room. On mobile and tablet, it's exactly the same. Log into the Hogarth member portal and scroll until you find Classes. Find the class you want to join and press the Zoom icon, again no more than 10 minutes before the class start time. This will launch Zoom and automatically place you into the waiting room. So remember, you must be signed into your Zoom account to use the Hogarth Online, you must launch your class from within the Hogarth member portal, and you must not launch your class more than 10 minutes before the start time. We hope you enjoy the Hogarth Online, powered by Zoom.